How to create your maximum bid sheet for tax lien and tax deed property auctions. This is a key vital skill set that every new tax lien and deed investor must have. So I'm going to walk you through this stuff step by step, and I'm going to share with you on my screen an example of a sheet that you too can build for yourself so that you don't screw up a tax lien and deed auction and that you can find the most profitable properties possible. So as we dive into this, I'm Dustin Hahn. I specialize in tax lien and deed investing, and I help new investors get into this business so that they can get the most profitable deals, use this business to find tax deed property up to 90% off, mortgage free, and earn anywhere between 18 to 36% interest with tax liens and tax deeds. So if you're new, for anybody watching, I give away a totally free mini course in the description below, the ABCs of tax lien and deed investing, how to get a profitable deal within 30 days. So if you like this content, thumbs up this video, it helps it out, and then make sure to subscribe and grab a copy of that. So let's go to the computer here right now. So what you're looking at here is the raw data as it comes in, when you download it from a tax lien or tax deed sale. Okay, so this is what I like about this business, is it's not exactly easy at face value, and that's really good news, because what that means for you is if you put in a little elbow grease and you understand it, you can have a huge advantage, right? So one of my philosophies is the easier information is to get, the more competitive and the less profitable it's going to be. So here's an example of a Washington tax deed sale spreadsheet. So first off, we downloaded the sheet. Okay, so then from there we take this data, and you're gonna have to find out how to get the information and the address from the county. Okay, so with this, you're going to have the parcel number. So with this parcel number, you want to figure out how to get the address and get the details. And every county is going to be a little bit different, okay? So you're kind of like an explorer, a little Indiana Jones action on this stuff, because you're going to need to figure it out. So what we're going to do, we've figured out how to get the information from the county. So we go and we decode it, and then we create this spreadsheet, okay? So we have the sale number, the parcel number, and then the address. All right, the next thing we're going to have is the opening bid. How much is the opening bid? From here, what does the county assess this property at? So these are all columns in a spreadsheet that you're going to need to create for yourself. After that, you want to get a value on Zillow or Realtor.com. Then we have a column here for the spread. What is the spread between how much the property is going for opening bid and what it's worth? And from here we have square footage, bedroom, bath, owner occupied, year built, very important details. And this is all stuff you want to have in this sheet. So in the green section here, you can see here, these are properties that we want to bid on. All right, so for example, we have this property here, parcel number, opening bid, $8,500. County assesses this at $67,000. Zillow 90 grand, Realtor 87. There's a $59,000 spread on this thing. And from here, it is a 10,000 square foot lot built in 1970. All right. So these are all important details that you want to have, and you want to have your notes on this sheet, because remember, this is the sheet you're going to turn over to your max bid sheet for the auction. Okay. Now, if you want some help with tax liens and deeds, there's a link below. You can book a call. You'll either speak to me or my team, and we'll help you build a plan to get this business going as fast as possible so that you don't waste time and lose money on deals that, you could make a mistake on. So there's a link below. You can book a call and make sure to get the free training as well as we're going, and ask a question in the comments if you have a question, and make sure to hit the thumbs up as it helps this video get some traction out there. So from here, we're going to take this sheet. Now we're going to go and we're going to build what's called the maximum bid sheet. So we're going to take the properties in green, and then we're going to go and we're going to put them into a max bid sheet that looks something like this, okay? And this is the sheet that we print out and we take to the auction with us, or if it's an online auction, this is the sheet that we're going off of that has all of our research on it. Now, the key thing here, very similar, basically the same columns, okay? We have the county assessed value, the address. So example, this one, county assessed 57, opening bid. Actually, we're gonna pass on that one. We'll come down to this one here, where the minimum bid is 8,500, county assesses at 67. So we're estimating about a 25K rehab, ARV $80,000 on this property. And these are our notes, okay? Okay shape, unoccupied, needs a roof, needs updating, AC missing. And then we have the property as far as the title goes, where there's no liens on the property. Meaning this property's been paid for, maybe somebody passed away, or they just let it go to the auction. So it's very important to research the title on these properties, okay? But as you can see, this sheet is very simple, very clean to have at the auction. This one is interesting. It's gone to sale 3 times and it gets redeemed every time. So basically this person lets it go to sale and you know, they leave it until the last minute. So that's why these notes are very, very important for you when you are at the sale. So go ahead, you can just pause this video right now and, well, you can take a screenshot of it, but create a sheet like this so that you have all these details when it comes time to go to the auction. And it is fairly simple. Now, in the free book that I give away below, once again, totally free, no credit card required, I have all of the titles and things like that in here as well, like the property evaluation form for each property, all of the columns and the things like that. So, you know, I used to sell this thing, like it was literally like $100 and some course. I just give it away now to help the community, 100 tax lien and deed facts. So you can take this video, the information in this book, and then go ahead and create this sheet for yourself and start doing some research, because this is a beautiful business to get into. It's one of the best times if you're wanting to get into real estate. Go into tax liens and deeds. Make sure to watch my videos, subscribe to this channel so you can educate yourself, go out and take advantage of these opportunities that are here right now. So once again, thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate it. Here to help. Ask a question in the comments, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.